Ro, don't hate me for saying this, but how long do you think she's got? Like, really got?
Hey, stop worrying. We've got plenty of time yet.
Hey, what are you doing up?
Oh, I need some water. Yeah, go on. No, I'll get it.
Go back to bed, Mum.
I can't sleep. Love your dad snoring away.
My snoring's not that bad. And you want to talk, Daddy? You sound like a rocket.
Sorry, what was that? Actually, that wasn't a bad impression. Hey, some water. You okay? Yeah. Yeah, everything's fine. It's okay. Thanks, love. Everything's perfect. Right, I want to go and try and get some sleep.